Hi, this is Lisa from SCYAP Art Center and welcome back to another video. Today we will be making these beautiful fall trees using crayons and watercolor. For this project you'll need crayons, watercolor paper, watercolor paint, masking tape, a soft paintbrush, water, and a fine tip black marker or pen. Start by taping down the edges of the watercolor paper with masking tape. This will leave you with a nice border at the end and prevent the paper from curling while you're painting. Next, rip off a piece of masking tape to the length of how long you want your tree to be. Then carefully you're going to tear the edges of the masking tape. This will leave a rough texture for the tree trunk. It might be a bit tedious, but just take your time. It is helpful if you stick one end of the tape onto your paper to hold it down. Once you're done tearing the edges of the masking tape, place it onto your paper and press down firmly. Then you could continue doing this for other trees. Once you have your main tree trunks taped down onto your paper, you could use the scrap pieces of tape to make branches. You can also tear smaller pieces of tape to make branches as well. Once you're done making your branches, pick out some crayons and some fall colors. To make the leaves and foliage, we're going to use a technique called scumbling. It is kind of like scratching at the paper and making small little scribbles. This technique looks great when using multiple colors. You can make your branches with as much leaves and foliage as you'd like. The wax ground will resist the watercolor paint later on and leave the multiple colors of the leaves exposed. Begin by painting a thin layer of water all over the page. This will help with blending. Painting side to side will help keep the colors even. When it is dry, remove all the pieces of tape. Next, with a fine tip black pen or marker, you're going to outline all the tree trunks, branches, and foliage. This adds a nice contrast to the soft watercolor background and really helps the trees pop. You can draw in small swirly or squiggly lines into the tree trunk for texture. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. As always, the written tutorial will be linked in the description box below. Take care and we'll see you in the next video.